In this video, you will learn how to find the perfect keywords for Google Ads. First, use Google Ads Keyword Planner. Log into your Google Ads account, go to the Tools and Settings and click Keyword Planner. Choose Discover the new keywords. Enter words related to your product, service or niche. Google will suggest relevant keywords along with search volume, competition and CPC, cost per click. Focus on high intent keywords. Look for keywords that show buying intent, such as buy running shoes instead of just running shoes. These keywords usually convert better. Then check competition and cost per click. Choose keywords that have a good balance between search volume and competition. Avoid extremely high cost per click terms unless your budget can handle it. Use long tail keywords. Long tail keywords such as 3 words plus are less competitive and more specific. For example, best budgeting gaming laptop 2025 instead of just laptop. Analyze competitor keywords. Use tools such as SEMrush or Ubersuggest to see what keywords your competition are targeting. You can help discover valuable opportunities. Organize keywords by themes. Group related keywords into ad groups. This will improve ad relevance and score quality, which can lower your cost per click. Continuously refine your list. After launching your campaign, monitor its performance, pause underperforming keywords, and add new ones based on what's converting well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.